Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. Alright, so I've got this Earth geometry exam question. This is question 11, of course. It came in 2022 ECZ. So the question reads, the diagram shows the points P, which is 20 degrees north, 80 degrees east, Q 40 degrees south, 80 degrees east, and R 40 degrees south, 30 degrees east on the surface of the Earth. Take pi as 3.142 and radius is equal to 6,370 kilometers. So we can see the globe here. On the first question, they want us to find the difference in longitudes between point R and Q. So R is right here, Q is here. So this is the latitude, and the difference that we're trying to find is between this longitude and this other longitude. So there's longitude longitude R, which is 30 degrees, and longitude Q, which is 80 degrees. Now there is a rule which says that when finding a difference, for as long as you see that these lines are standing on different positions, you have to add them. So what do I mean by saying different positions? You can see this is east. Wow, this one, we're using these arrows. They're pointing using the arrows. When you see this 30 is 30 degrees east, 80 degrees east. So when the sides are the same, we subtract. But if they are different, we add. Now what I mean by saying if they are the same, you can see this is east and this is also east, meaning we need to subtract. If it was east, west, would have subtracted, okay? Would have added. So let me show you what I'm talking about. For us to find the difference, we're going to write theta is equal to, we know one of them was 30 degrees east, so we shall say, we shall start with the bigger number, 80 degrees east minus 30 degrees east. So same sides we subtract, and this is giving us what? This is giving us a 50 degrees. So our difference in longitude is 50 degrees. Let's go to the next question. The next question, they're saying calculate the distance PQ in kilometers. So P is right here, Q is over here, and this is the longitude. Whenever you've been asked to find distance along the longitude, this is the formula we use. So we say, this is question 2 actually. Question 1 we've answered, it's right over here. So we say distance between point P and Q, since it's along the longitude, it will be theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi capital R. So this is the formula we use for finding a distance. Now what is our theta? Our theta, look at this. Look at this very careful. PQ, that's the distance we're finding from here to here. If we check nicely here, it's 20 degrees north, while here it's 40 degrees south. So the sides are different. When the sides are different, we always add. For east and east, we subtracted. Question 1 we subtracted because we are the east. But for this, we have different. The south, north, we are supposed to add. So that will be our theta. So let me just write the value of theta. It will be 20 plus 40 degrees, which will give us what? A 60 degrees. So our theta is a 60 degrees. Now looking at the formula, we know that our theta is 60. So we're going to write here 60 degrees over 360 degrees. And then we say times a 2 times pi, which is a 3.142, times the radius. They've given us the radius, which is a 6,370 kilometers. So we just write it like that. Okay. So now we're going to work out what is on top here. So we shall say 60, okay, 60 plus 2, times 60 times 2 times 3.142 times 6,370. You just multiply everything here on top. And what you're getting is a 2401744.8. So you divide this by that 360. So divide by 360. Of course, the answer which is coming out is 6671. And here we shall say point, because there's a point here, 51333. So this we say kilometers. If you want, you can leave your answer like this. But if you want to, depending on the condition that you've been given, writing this in 3 significant figures, it will look like this. So this is our answer. Okay. Now let's check out the last question. For the last question here, they are saying, find the length of the circle of latitude 40 degrees south in kilometers. So you see, we are talking about this circle. So we are going to use the same formula for finding a circumference of the circle, but this, since it's a latitude, we are going to apply cos y. Let me show you. So the formula here will be, let me write it here, question 3. Hopefully you follow. This is question 3. So for question number 3, we're going to write the formula, which is distance, because that's length, around 40 degrees south will be equal to 2 pi capital R. This is the formula we use when finding circumference of a circle, but we just say cos y because it's a latitude. Okay, so we have a 2 times 3.142 times the radius here, it's a 6,370, and then we say times cos, the angle, the name of the latitude, it's 40 degrees. Okay, so we punch on our calculator. We've got 2 times 3.142 times 6,370 times cos 40. This, of course, is giving us a 30664.0543 kilometers. So we can write it in 3 significant figures. It will be 30700 kilometers. So this is our answer. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. But if you really want more and well simplified extra work or lessons, this is a number that you can get in touch with us on. We'll be able to add you to our online classes. And if you're in Chingola, you can come through to our branch or our center in Chingola, Kabun South. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.